What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. This is how to put wheel hubs on a 94 to 04 Mustang. Doesn't matter if it's a GT or V6 model. Alright, so your first step, what you want to do, you want to remove any surface rust that's on it, or if you just remove it, you want to clean it up a little bit before you install it. So now that you got your surface clean, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and start greasing it up. Grease it up as much as you can. Just so that bearing can fall right in place. What you want is a smooth fit. You don't want anything hard. Smooth it out. Alright, so now that you got it greased all up, what you want to do is you want to apply this here as evenly as possible. Let's see if I can do that. Let's see. Let me put the camera down. Alright, so we got a little better angle at it. Yep. Alright, so we got our flush in there. It's rolling smoothly as it should. Now what you want to do is just want to tighten the nut straight up on there, and you want to torque it down.